And you should always think of the season whenever you are advising diet to any pregnant lady. Now it is a summer season, so you should take care of her dehydration also in the pregnancy. And we need to pacify vata, which is going to be increase in this season, and of course pitta, which is going to increase in this season. So what you are going to advise in this season for the patient? So see that she is going to have lot of fluids, and all these fluids should be sometimes very she may be fussy to have water all the time. So just think of the variety of the fluids giving to her. And variety of the fluids means any dietary factor which is going to have a juicy part in it. For example, if you are going to consider about the fruits, so which fruits are available in this season? Watermelon, grapes, then oranges. They are less in this season, but if they are available, she should have fresh juice of the fresh juice, or she can directly eat the fruits so that it can cover the dehydration in this season. And she will get variety of the food also, variety of her taste also for this. If she is very much fussy about the fruits, try to go for the coconut juice, try to go for the various type of sarbats, but lemon sarbat, kokum sarbat, and all the types of the cold beverages in the same in that area. For example, in Maharashtra, we are getting lot of raw mangoes in this season. So they make a good drink of these raw mangoes that is called kairi panha. So they boil the raw mangoes and then they put some type of jaggery in it, and they make a drink of it. So that is very useful for a pregnant lady, and she can have it so many times in a day. We should always think that in summer she should not go out. She should cover herself with cloth when she is going out, and she should avoid ratri jagarana, that is, she should not sleep late night, and she should not go out in the afternoon also. So that is the main thing which you are going to take care of the pregnant lady in this season. And the diet, most probably, if she is having most of the fluids, then go for as my favorite regime, that is Mandapeya Vilepi. So Mandapeya Vilepi are more useful in summer season also, but she should like to have them cool, because there she cannot take hot manda in this season. So you can advise to have that drink, that diet also, so that she can have that diet, and she should cover the dehydration, and she should go for the nutrition of her body also. All the medicines are going on, we know, but we need to give her milk in a proper quantity, because I think milk is the main dietary factor which should be given to her, which she should consume in all the pregnancy, in all the 9 months. So in this season, go for some milk cold drinks for her. Go for some milk which has put elaichi in it, which has put some prakshepa dravyani in it, so that she will have some siddha dugdas. Siddha dugdas, according to Ayurveda, is what you are going to put those factors or those dietary factors in the milk, and then you are going to boil the milk. For example, if you are going to take some elaichi and you put it in the milk, and then if you boil it and give it to the patient, then she will then it can make her tasty also, and she can have it without any complaint also. So many of the patients say, I can't have milk, I can't have milk. So that is the thing where you are giving her milk, and you are just the purpose of your advice is also served in her.